how to add links to your YouTube channel. This is super easy to do, and once you see how to do it, you'll see just how easy it is. So, like for instance, let's just go over here to this this channel. If you see right here in the YouTube channel, this person, they've got some links here to their different parts of their website. So how do you do that? How do you put the links there? Real easy. Go up to your profile, go to your view your channel, and then you'll be on your channel there. You can see here's Miguel Flowers, my channel. I have no links to any external links on my channel, but if you just click here, customize channel, opens up a new page. Scroll down a little bit, and right here in the middle, links. Share external links with your viewers. They'll be visible on your channel profile and about page. So let's just click add a link, and let's just name this just whatever, Google, and type in the URL and click add, and let's just do another one. And this could be anything. It could be Yahoo, whatever, and then just the link. And you can see I mistyped Yahoo or whatever. And once you add the links you want to add, be sure to come up to the upper right, click publish. It says changes published down here at the bottom. Go to channel, and when you go here to your channel, and you see it right here, Google and Yahoo, whatever, and you can just keep adding links. I'm not exactly sure how many links the maximum you can have, but you can experiment. But that's how you do it. Just go to your profile, click your channel, customize channel, opens up a new window. Links, just add a link, whatever you want. Maybe you have to copy and paste if it's a long link. And the trick is to be sure to hit publish whenever you make any changes. I hope this video was helpful, and there might be some other videos popping up on your page right now, just basic things to do on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments.